Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer. I am the Kidtropolis educator here at Children's Museum Houston, and today's Brain Break is brought to you by Nico Nicos. So what we are going to do today is we are going to make a centerpiece. Now when everybody comes together for a meal, everybody sits around the table. A centerpiece is what you would find in the middle of the table. It can be something kind of pretty or something kind of cool or something that's just really unique, but it's something for folks to see that just sort of brightens up the table. A lot of restaurants that you might visit would have a centerpiece, something that makes the table look really appealing even before you get to the food. Pretty awesome. So we are going to make a winter themed centerpiece, and it's going to be pretty easy. All you need to make your winter centerpiece are some sticks, which you can find outside. Now I actually painted my sticks because I already had some of this blue spray paint at home. If you want to paint them with a different type of paint, awesome. If you want, you could put some glue and glitter on them. Always fun. And you could also just leave them looking like sticks. Totally cool. You are also going to need some paper. I have just a couple of squares of white paper here and some scissors. I am going to use some pipe cleaners to attach what I'm going to cut out to my centerpiece. You can also use string. And then we just need something that we can actually put this all in. So I have just a little plastic container, and I'm going to add some white beans to the bottom of it just to help everything stand up. Cool? All right, let's get started. First, use a couple of pipe cleaners or some string to secure your sticks together and place them in your container. Next, we're going to take our beans and we're going to pour them in the container around our sticks. That'll help hold them in place. To decorate our tree, we are going to make some snowflakes. Starting with a square piece of paper, fold it in half diagonally. Then fold it in half again, also diagonally. Next, you can fold it into thirds, starting with one end and then overlapping with the other. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Finally, use your scissors to cut off the top. And then you can cut out shapes from the two edges. If you'd like, you can write the name of someone who will be having dinner with you in the center of your snowflake. Finally, take one of your pipe cleaners or your string and attach it to your tree. And we're all done. Check it out. It is our winter-themed centerpiece to welcome everybody to the table and to brighten up our mealtime a little bit more. Thank you very much, everybody, for joining me for today's Brain Break, which was sponsored by Nico Nicos. We'll see you all again soon. Bye.